Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll guide you through the second method to find someone on Facebook by their phone number. To start, open a web browser and type in Find Facebook account or navigate to the Forgot Password, Can't Login page on Facebook. Once there, enter the mobile number of the person you're searching for. Click on Search. This will display the Facebook profile associated with that phone number, showing the profile image and name. However, please note that this is primarily for account recovery purposes, not for browsing other people's profile. Once you have that profile image and name, you can search for that person's account on Facebook using their name and verify it by matching the profile image. And that's how you found someone on Facebook, their phone number using method 2. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.